Hello and a very good evening to all. This is Aishley, Verma and intern with LEXIS and Company. And today in this video I will be dealing with a case named Gurdev Singh versus State of Punjab. The citation of the case is reference criminal appeal number 375 of 2021. And it was appealed in the Supreme Court of India. The date of the judgment here is 6th April 2021. And the bench consists of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice M.R. Shah. The head notes of the case are Section 21 and Section 32B of the Narcotic Drugs and Physiotropic Substance Act, that is NDPS Act. If we talk about the case, the facts of the case, so these are as follows. The applicant in the present case was found to be in the possession of 1 kg heroin, which was 4 times more than the minimum consumption commercial quantity. So the special court convicted the appellant under the provision of Section 21 of the Narcotic Drugs and Physiotropic Substance Act, that is NDPS Act, and sentenced him to undergo 15 years of rigorous imprisonment. He was also ordered to pay a fine of rupees 2 lakhs. If found to be in default of the payment of said fine, he was to undergo an additional year of rigorous imprisonment. Aggrieved by the decision of the special court, the appellant filed an appeal before the High Court. The High Court, however, dismissed the appeal. Further, the appellant thereof filed an appeal before the Supreme Court of India seeking relief. Now the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. So here the issue that whether or not poverty of the accused can be mitigating factor while awarding the punishment under NDPS Act. So here in this case the accused person is really poor, and now the issue with the case is that whether or not the poverty of the accused can be mitigating factor while awarding the punishment under the NDPS Act. So the judgment are as follows. Judgment while considering the submission on behalf of the accused and mitigating and aggravating circumstances and the request to take lenient view and not to impose the punishment higher than the minimum sentence provided under the Act, it should be borne in mind that in a murder case, the accused commits murder of 1 or 2 persons, while those persons who are dealing with narcotic drugs are instruments in causing death or in inflicting death blow to number of innocent young victims who are vulnerable. It causes deleteriously effects on deadly impact on the society. They are hazardous to society. Further, organized activities of the underworld and smuggling of narcotic drugs and physiotropic substance into this country and illegal trafficking in such a drugs and substance shall lead to drug addiction among the sizable section of the public, particularly the adolescents and students of both the sexes. And the MINAC has assumed serious and alarming proportion in the recent years. Therefore, it has a deadly impact on the society. Further thereof, while awarding the sentence, that is the punishment, in the case of NDPS Act, the interest of the society is also required to be taken in consideration. And while striking balance between the mitigation and abrogating circumstances, public interest, impact on the society will also be tilt in the favor of the suitable higher punishment. So the court was of the view to award higher punishment. Further, therefore, merely because of the accused is a poor man and or a carrier and or is a sole bread earner cannot be such mitigating circumstances in favor of the accused while awarding the sentence or punishment in the case of NDPS Act. Even otherwise, in the present case, the special court, as observed herein above, has taken into consideration the submission on behalf of the accused that he is a poor person, that he is sole bread earner, that he is that it is his first offence, while not imposing the maximum punishment of 20 years of rigorous imprisonment and imposing the punishment of 15 years of rigorous imprisonment only. Also, in the view of the above and for the reason stated herein above, there is no substance in the present appeal and the same deserves to be dismissed and accordingly dismissed. So this was held by the court. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.